going to make a half and half cranberry and amaretto. It's going to, well, I'm not going to tell you what it's going to be.
Oh, you're going to love it. It's going to be fucking viral.
Well, you heard the recipe. You don't have to watch the show.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Today we're going to make a drink that Felix invented on the live stream. In the live stream. Didn't invent it in the live stream, but he mentioned it in the live stream. We're going to try it because it's simple, and that's the theme.
And you want it.
And we're calling it the Felix 50-50.
The Felix 50-50.
The Felix 50-50.
Because it's half amaretto and half cranberry juice.
Yeah.
I'm going to make an ounce and a half of these because there's 4 of us.
Yeah. You don't want to like make it. You don't want to like fucking leave us stiff without a drink here.
Right, especially if it's good and Jen
she'll drink it
wants to suck this
Jen
thing
says
down.
she was going to drink it.
Yeah.
Well, if it's good, I'll just pour some cranberry juice in here, shake it up, and give it to her.
No, if it's good, we'll just pull this out.
Oh, see?
And we'll throw it in there.
And we'll make a Tootsie
Bottled off,
Bartender
50-50.
cocktail in a trash can out of it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, this is a trash can. Perfect.
Well, we'll be drinking at the pool next summer.
Right. Well, Tipsy likes to just throw it in a cooler and float it in the pool.
Yeah.
With
See?
ice.
See? No, we'll all do a river trip, and then we'll put that in the cooler, and we'll drink it as we're going down the river.
Oh, let's see if
River
it's good
trip.
first.
Oh, I'm just in
You're
for the
that
river
friend,
trip.
Jen. We all
I'm in
have
for the
that
river
friend.
trip.
No, let's
I
make
like the
this
way
bigger
Jen
than
thinks.
life. Let's all commit to this for the next 5 years.
Yes.
Because I want to.
That's right,
But like,
damn it.
let's
I'm in with Jen.
think about it this
I
way.
like when she makes freaking decisions.
If let's say it was only okay, you're on the river and you have like a fucking barrel of this.
A cooler
You're probably
full of
gonna be okay
really
with it.
long straws, so
Yeah.
everybody's sucking from the
I mean, I'll fucking drink anything.
Right.
Maybe.
Look at all the planning she's putting in. This is just proving my point.
Right. You fill a whole cooler with it with really long straws. We'll call it the like River Trip Scorpion Bowl.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
The River Trip Felix.
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe we could light it on fire somehow.
Oh, you got to bring the 151 in.
Yeah, and float it in a shot glass.
Float it in the
on top.
shot
Yeah.
on top of the cooler.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, I mean, if there's fire.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
That looks simple.
Yeah.
It looks simple.
Doesn't
How
it?
does something look simple?
Maybe we should throw an egg in it.
It looks pretty.
Well, if at first you don't succeed, throw an egg in it. If you're lucky, you'll have twins.
All right. The Felix 50-50.
It looks watery.
It looks good.
You know the thing? It's amaretto is really good.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with amaretto.
I don't.
It's almost like the cranberry juice is just diluting a little bit and adding some texture to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like if you just put the Serrano in your own piss, it would probably still be pretty good.
Oh, shit.
Because we're going to have to try that next.
Mm.
Anybody got to go?
Give me a minute.
No, you ain't got enough drinks. You start drinking this. That way we know everybody's cool.
Yeah.
Not a UTI.
Blessed by a rabbi?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
What's blessed by a rabbi? This drink?
Oh, what's sugar?
I guess who doesn't like amaretto?
The lemon twist, flambe, and blessed by a rabbi.
Flambe! You'll light it on fire. That's flambe, right?
But it's good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's sweet.
It's an 80s drink, right? It's an overly sweet drink. That's good.
Yeah.
So it's a college drink.
It's not a balanced drink, but it's good.
No, but
I can see it in a cooler.
You should try it
I
before.
wouldn't want to drink it all.
Before
but
it
I can
gets
see it
going.
in a
Before
cooler.
it's gone.
Yeah.
what? It tastes
See?
like something. I
I'm
guess
going to tell you
Yeah, it
whether
tastes like
can
am-
be in a cooler.
The
Amaretto.
cranberry just like cuts.
it tastes like amaretto.
Yeah, it tastes like amaretto. But the cranberry just like cuts it down enough where it isn't
See,
like
that's good.
ridiculously sweet.
Oh God, that's a secret ingredient. That's gonna make everything so much better.
Oh.
Oh shit.
But you
Oh.
need an Ian with you at all times so he can juice an orange.
Orange with Serrano.
The orange with the Serrano,
It's a
legs
golden-
open.
Golden
Like-
combination.
It's like
Yeah.
the gold.
Sweet.
Is it better?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's good.
Orange amaretto. That's good.
I left you a half a sip.
For the 3 of us.
For you.
Oh, definitely better.
It better now?
I'm glad I took the sip before that.
Yeah.
It's
You got the sloppy fourths.
Alcohol kills it all. Don't worry about it.
now it kind of tastes like a Starkist.
Orange definitely tastes.
Starburst.
No, that the Felix
Start-
50-50
No,
is good.
you're
I think the
Starburst.
Felix 50-50 is
Starkist
good.
is tuna, right?
No, Starkist is tuna.
We have had that shot before.
That's
The Mexican hooker or something?
Yes, it's a Mexican.
We're not talking about my past, are we?
No.
Okay.
Not your face.
Let's get to it. No. No.
No,
The tapeworm is all you're
that's the mayonnaise and vodka and pepper. There's no
Yeah.
tuna in that.
There's no tuna. in
Oh.
it.
Tuna?
The Mexican hooker shot?
It has
Oh,
some tuna in it.
that's disgusting.
You You know what else is disgusting? You might not know this. Vodka, mayo.
He
And
never
Tabasco.
he never had to
Yeah,
do a
that's
tapeworm.
disgusting. No.
Yeah.
Well, see,
Everybody used to do a
Yes.
tapeworm on this show.
Yeah, he hasn't had to do one yet.
I stand by my cooler.
Do you have mayonnaise?
Put this in the river.
No.
Build that in the cooler.
I do.
And we're good.
Dan's doing
We're gonna do
tapeworm.
Long Island iced tea in the
Dan's doing a
cooler.
Tapeworm.
Long Island Ice. Oh my God, we're never gonna leave the river. We're all gonna drown.
Long Island iced tea in the
We'll be
cooler. They're all dead. Everybody's just lost. What is it? A lost river? Nope, they're just lost on the river.
There's no gorge involved.
Yeah.
Good drink. I would add some.
It's good.
Some.
It's good with orange.
If you add
A
orange
little
to
butter.
it, it's
A little
called
better with orange.
Amaretto Cranberry Kiss. If
Can't
you add
go wrong
orange
with
juice and
orange
vodka.
and
Look at this. He's not finished. He's
Just
just gonna.
fucking squeezing that shit.
Why don't you just put the fucking amaretto in the orange and let it marinate in there and then squeeze it out?
that's good. Kind of like a vodka infusion, or
Mm.
amaretto orange infusion.
Yeah.
Dude, like that. That's like crack.
Amaretto and orange juice.
Yeah.
Gold. Now you know.
Shit is over.
You're about to
Now
know.
you know.
You're about to
have
know
the
more.
golden combination.
It's like golden combination.
That's the most excited I think I've seen him in months.
And he has to work with them every day.
There's no lie.
And he's like,
it is a good combination.
Right.
Orange
I mean, we learned this young.
Alright.
yeah, this is,
Yeah, this is a vodka, amaretto, and orange juice.
there's no vodka in there.
No vodka.
It's just,
The orange and amaretto is good.
right? It's like candy.
It is.
You didn't get as excited as you did
Oh,
at the
you're
second
turning
page.
30 this year. You're a baby. You didn't get
I'm a little
excited.
disappointed in that.
It's because it's not on
I love
ice.
It's
it.
not real.
If it was on ice,
If it was on
I love
ice,
if it was on ice,
And
it would have been a little better.
Or you
Meh,
need
it's the
more-
best thing ever. Meh.
You know, you didn't really present it well.
You need bottled orange juice.
Bottled oranges?
Because then there's more of it. Than squeezing an orange.
Well, this is a good point, but this is what I had,
I know.
I got 8 more of those.
and I just wanted him to taste it.
Anyway, sidebar, more videos down below. Bartender Starter Kit.
Thank you for your criticism.
We're teaching how to drink.
Amaretto and orange juice are
50-50
a golden combination.
All right, that's what I'm saying.
We can try. We'll try this though
Yeah,
first.
it is
All
a
right.
golden combination.
It's a golden. he was like, hold the phone.
It is.
That is
It's a recipe for delicious.
It is. I'm going to have to side with Ian on this one.
He was just like, he was so serious. He was just like,
Wait a minute.
hold the phone.
You just said the best combination
That is
ever.
delicious.
It is. It's the best combination of products.
It is. Amaretto and orange juice go
Yeah.
just so well together.
Right.
All right.